Silver futures. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We have approach to positive MACD. We're still slightly below the 200 moving average, this green line acting as our temporary resistance at a price of $26.25. As with the 4 hour chart, we are in negative MACD territory, seeing signs of a converge. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD, seeing signs of a converge, and we're still resting right along the 200 moving average, this green line at a price of $25.81. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $23.20. My sell target for it is at $24.35, and my stop loss is at $23.04. However, if I were to open a short entry, my position is at $25.18, and my sell target is at $23.37, and my stop loss is at $25.35. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 17% chance to climb between 0 to 4%, and 83% chance to fall between 0 to negative 4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.